I am S. Karthik, Assistant Professor, Department of Information Technology, Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology, Coimbatore. Today we can see the artificial intelligence and machine learning fundamentals in that unsupervised machine learning algorithm. The unsupervised machine learning algorithm is a type of machine learning in which the models are trained by unlabeled dataset and are allowed to act on the data without any supervision. There are many cases in which we do not have labeled data and need to find the hidden patterns for the given dataset. To solve this such kind of cases, we can use the machine learning unsupervised learning method. The goal of that unsupervised learning to find the underlying structure of dataset, group that data according to the similarities and represent the dataset in a compressed format. In unsupervised learning algorithm will perform the task by clustering the images datasets into a group according to the similarities between the images. The unsupervised learning is the helpful for finding useful insights from the data. The unsupervised learning much similar as a human learns to think by their own experience, which makes it closer to the real artificial intelligence. The unsupervised learning algorithm works on unlabeled and uncategorized data, which can help the unsupervised learn more important. In that real world, we can always have a input data with the corresponding output. So solve such kind of cases. So we need to use the unsupervised learning algorithm. Working methodology of unsupervised. So we can give the input raw data. It consists of a collection of similar images. It's a unlabeled data. So it can interpret it. Uses of that machine learning algorithm, it can process and can give the uh, group of outputs of different categories. So we have taken a unlabeled input data, which means not categorized, and corresponding output also not given. The unlabeled input data is feed into that machine learning model in order to train it. It will interpret that raw data to find the hidden patterns from the data and then apply the suitable algorithms. The types of unsupervised learning algorithm into two categories, clustering and association. Clustering is the method of grouping the object into the clusters such that objects with most similarities remains into that group and has no similarities with the object of the another group. The cluster analysis find the common between the data objects and categorize them presence and absence of those common groups. The association is the rule in an unsupervised learning method which is used for finding the relationship between the various in the large databases. It determines the set of items that occurs together in the dataset. The association rules makes marketing strategy more effective manner since the people who buys that X item are also to buy the purchase of item Y. The item A is typical example of association rule in market basket analysis. Some of the unsupervised learning algorithms. K means clustering, hierarchical clustering, anomaly detection, neural network, principal component analysis, independent component analysis, a priori algorithm, singular value decomposition. Advantages of the unsupervised learning method. Unsupervised learning is used for more complex tasks as compared to the supervised learning method. Unsupervised learning, we don't have a labeled input data. It can preferable easy to get unlabeled data in comparison to labeled data set. Disadvantages is the unsupervised learning is intrinsically more difficult than supervised learning. It does not have corresponding output. The result of the unsupervised learning method is less accurate as input data is not labeled and algorithm does not know the exact output in advanced manner. Classification versus clustering. The both classification and clustering is used for the categorization of that object into that one or more classes based on the features. In the case of classification, the predefined labels assigned to each input instance according to their properties. The clustering, those labels are missing. Thank you.